welcome back to my channel. Y'all know who it is, EJ Hood. And if you are new to this channel, welcome in. We're gonna make a cake tonight. Today. What are we using? This kind of cake right here. Here we go. And then the ingredient, oil, we need oil. Right here. Some eggs right here, you y'all see it. And a measuring cup. It has a twist to it too. Chocolate. Okay. Oh, and then behind my baby is the pan that we're gonna use to use. Okay, so let's get the show on the road. Let's get the show on the road.
Okay. To start off, open box.
Close box.
Okay, you're gonna need 1 cup of water added to the mix. We're gonna add 3 eggs. Alright, and just mix it. You can use a mixer if you have one. We don't have one, so we use a fork. Alright, meanwhile that is mixing, let's put some spray. I'm using Pam baking made with flour. Too much, but okay. Alright, let's put this right here. And just kind of spread it evenly. This is a 13 by 9 pan, just so you know. It's a rectangle pan. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put this at 350. Let it warm up a little bit. And then I'm going to put that on the oven. Alright. I'm going to put it right on the top. And for this one, we're going to leave it for 23 to 28 minutes. I'm just going to leave it at 25 minutes. Exactly. Time to take it out. Okay, super important. Please let it cool down before you start decorating it. I learned that the hard way. Alrighty, we'll be back when it cools down. Good morning, you guys. We have left this overnight. trying to put this. I'm gonna put it in this metal thing, just because I don't have anything flat other than this. Either way, you're not gonna be able to see how ugly it is because we have aluminum foil. Okay, cake. Put it right here. This on top. Grab it with both hands. Turn it around. Voila. Okay, it's time to decorate. Okay, I'm gonna start putting on the frosting. I got milk chocolate by Pillsbury. I use the back part of a spoon. Yes, I know we don't have an actual spatula, but it's okay. The best part about this cake is that you don't have to be perfect when it comes to frosting because you're gonna cover it all completely. So meanwhile, we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna start with the Kit Kats. Okay, so if you can see, I seriously doubt you can see, but I measured the side of the cake and I put a little line right here on my spoon. Yes, on my spoon. So we're gonna measure it and it looks like it'll be half of the Kit Kat. A little bit more than half. But yeah, we're gonna cut this. Alright, so the cake is back. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut each little piece, that part up, and you're gonna put it on a side of, and you have to do this fast because your hand will melt this chocolate, so do this as quickly as possible. Okay, so I haven't quite finished here, but I want to show you what I'm going to do on the top. On the top, I'm going to put some M&Ms, and I am using milk chocolate. You can use pretty much any M&M. Okay, so I put them here, and then little one by one, I'm just going to stick them right on top. Alright, you guys, the cake is done. It took me a while after 4 packets of Kit Kat and like 3 to 4 bags of M&M's. It's ready to eat. Doesn't this look delicious? It actually kind of looks like you don't even want to touch it. But
alright guys, alright, y'all have fun with this little journey that I went to the store so many times. Give it a thumbs up, please. Please. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will let you know how it tastes afterwards. But give it a thumbs up. If you want a shout out, you know what to do. Comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
bye.